Virchow's Law Update, a presentation by Professor Gershom Zaychek, Faculty of Medicine, Hebrew University of Jerusalem. Virchow's law says that all cells arise only from pre-existing cells, and in Latin it is omnis cellula e cellula. This law implies that virus is created by the cell, and virus is a cell organelle, and virus is not alive. And I discussed it already in the previous presentation, Theory of Virus and Cell Update 1. Wikipedia supports this idea because Wikipedia says a virus is a submicroscopic infectious agent that replicates only inside living cells. And also bacteriophage, which is a virus, replicates only inside of living cells, which means that the virus is created in the cell, and obviously, since it is created in the cell, virus is not alive. And now the reproduction, which is also a very important feature, is created or is done in the cell. So here you have an excerpt of my previous presentation in order to see what we are talking about. So we are talking about eukaryotic cell and a virus which is infecting the cell or attaching to a receptor, and inside the cell we have the provirus which stores the self of the cell, and the provirus is also responsible for creating virions. Now, definition: provirus is a set of cell genes with three functions: stores the self of the cell, controls who may infect the cell, and controls virus production. Self is a set of provirus genes unique to the cell. And virus is only a cell messenger. And virus is created by provirus. Virus stores self of the cell in its genome, and virus infects only cells with the same self. Self is a set of provirus genes unique to the cell. If we look happening in biology, the same cells which we are talking about have a different fate. We read that bacteriophage traces lytic and lysogenic cycles. Here you have the lytic cycle of bacteriophage and lysogeny, and we ask, how does this relate to Virchow's law? In order to see this, I have to define the cell family clone. Elementary unit of biology is a cell family clone. It originates from a stem cell. All clone members share a unique self, and self is a set of genes. Each clone has a virus which carries its genome and self. So here you have it, the cell family clone. We have a stem cell which originates this family. All these cells are a clone. All these cells are the member of this family. And what we see, the modification of this, that actually we are talking about two cells which make the element of family. We have the cells which we called previously lysis, and here you have the cells which evolve and which we called lysogeny. So as the family clone evolves and grows, Both types of cells are moving with it. They are part of it. And this is a solution for our problem because everything happens in the cell and the cell is controls whatever happens there. So Virchow's law was incorporated into biology. Conclusion: more to come.